Hey there, my name is Caroline and I'm the Senior Messaging Strategist at Shop Marketing Pros. One of the best things that you can do to optimize your marketing is to really make sure that you know who you're speaking to in your marketing. What this boils down to is not just who your ideal customer is, but who is actually receiving this marketing. And what that boils down to is acquisition or retention. So when we think about acquisition, you're thinking about ads, direct mailers, sometimes your SEO or anything that may be online. But for retention, we're thinking more social media most of the time. Text messages, email marketing, and things like that. When you're talking to somebody that you're trying to retain, they already know you, so you can kind of skip the introductory things and all the services that you do, and we want to jump to sharing a bit more about your business, what you offer, the shop culture, and things like that. But when we're trying to attract new customers, that's when we want to pull out all the stops, show them what you're capable of, what you do, your certifications, your services, and things like that. With that, your tone changes some too. With acquisition marketing, you want to be a little bit more direct and grab people's attention. So it may look something like, hey Louisiana, it's the best car care around, giving them a bit more information about what you do, speaking directly to them and letting them know that they are probably your ideal customer. For retention, it can be a bit more casual, a little friendlier, more on the lines of, hey, how's it going? The way that you would speak to your customers in your shop. They've already been in the shop, so they know who you are and they know how you communicate. So you can kind of let your guard down a little bit and show who you really are.